Everyone wants to go to the Whitsundays, right? The beautiful beaches and the aqua water, the reef, the fish, the shells, and we were no different. We wanted to sail the Whitsundays since we lived on Fitzroy Island off Cairns on the Great Barrier Reef some years ago. We lived on Fitzroy Island prior to having children. Then you know children happen and life and work and school, etc. Our children are now 12 and 9, finally with the changing economic and health climates, our renewed vigour to pursue our dreams and have an adventure. We are sailing the Whitsundays and heading back to share Fitzroy Island on the Great Barrier Reef with our children. Come and join us. The sail from the Capricorn coast was filled with lumpy sailing, whaley surprises, a historic stop at Little Percy and a long-awaited rise in temperature.
Today I've sacked the autopilot and I'm hand steering. This morning we left our anchorage in 20 knots. We've had a consistent 20 to 25 knots since leaving the anchorage, and our best boat speed has been 13.1 knots with just a staysail alone. It's rather lumpy, but another day on the water.
As we continue to sail, the weather changes.
We're going over 500 nautical miles now on our ship.
Oh my god. Come on. That is amazing. Hello.
I freaked out but happy at the same time. I think I'm just like a Maxis. Just put that anchor out and I'll jump out.
Welcome to Little Percy.
It's a big one. We find tons of small ones about that big. It's really big. There might be an animal in it though. Can't really see because there's a hole.
Wow. That's the type of shells we want.
Thanks.
Hugs. The Whitsundays are the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. They include more than 90 islands, and 70% of these islands are natural park.
We made it! This is Thomas Island. Our beautiful friends in the Count told us about this and said the children would love it. It is exquisite.
The shell. And make some different piles.
James is our designated skipper of the tender as well.
My fitness regime.
There's nothing wrong with the tender, we've just decided that
Not got into a coral.
Really on rocks right here. Look at that.
Thomas Island, like a lot of islands in the Whitsundays, is surrounded by fringe reef, and sometimes oars are required.
you don't want to hit these big bommies. So we've decided
Let's
that
get ready to turn the outboard.
we'll use the old-fashioned way of the oars. Thomas Island, oh, it's glorious. This is what I'm talking about, look at that. It's so
After
close.
our much-needed rest and relaxation at Thomas Island, we took a short sail to Shore Island. Join us next week as we sail backwards, encounter some strong winds and finish our sail up the Queensland coastline to arrive at Fitzroy Island.